morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Caroline, and you should totally subscribe and join the man fam. It is pouring outside, like thunder, pouring, all the above. Also, forgot to mention this, but my mom is actually in town, and she's upstairs cuddling with Matcha right now, but I just decided to do my makeup, get ready for the day because it's a great day, regardless of what the weather looks like right now. I've got some makeup on my sweatshirt, but I need to pick out an outfit. I think today I want to do something cozy. We might go out and shop a little bit, but I just still want to be cozy. All right, this is today's fit that we're rocking with. I've got this top on from Princess Polly, literally one of my favorite tops, and I always forget that I have long sleeve tops. I just always go to sweatshirts and hoodies, but today we're dressing cute and comfy. Might even bring like a little pullover in case I get colder. Yeah, so that's my top, and then for pants, I've got on these PacSun jeans. They're low rise, and I just am kind of obsessed with low rise lately. I need to put on deodorant and perfume before I head out. For perfume, we're doing the Glossier You. This is my signature scent, and everybody always asks me what perfume I'm wearing, and it's always this one when people ask me. I want to give a huge thank you to Walmart for sponsoring this portion of today's video. In my last video, I talked about how I got all these treats and toys and fun little things for Matcha while I was gone in Arkansas. Obviously, he is my child, so I'm gonna go shopping for him even when I'm away from him. And they all arrived, so I wanna share what I got because a lot of these things I've heard great reviews about, and some of them I already have. I have two dogs in Texas. You guys have probably seen them on my channel throughout the years, Leo and Lacey, and they're both Yorkies. 3 out of the many things that I'm gonna be showing are treats that we have given to my older dogs who are now 8 or 9 years old. And so I decided to get them on Walmart because Walmart has the best prices and the best products. I'm gonna start with current obsessions with treats, and these are the ones that just arrived. When you first have a puppy, you obviously have to look for the label that says training. I've got 2 bags of a smaller version of this. This is a tasty chicken recipe, and it's really good for whenever he goes to the bathroom. I can give him a treat. I can give him multiple of these. Another dog certified treat that you have to get if you have a new puppy right now are the Zesty Paws Puppy Calming Bites. These are really good for behavior and calmness. So if you're taking your dog on a plane and he doesn't have severe anxiety where you have to get a prescription for it, or if he's really sick in the car, you can just give him one of these treats. I decided to get big dog versions of what I just showed, so these are the same calming treat effects. However, these ones are for obviously bigger dogs or regular sized dogs. We haven't experienced 4th of July or New Year's yet with Matcha, so I'm not really sure if he's gonna get anxiety from fireworks, but if your dog gets anxiety from fireworks, you need to run to Walmart and get these anxiety treats. So glad that Walmart carries Milk-Bone because Milk-Bone has been around forever. There's real bone marrow in this one, which has calcium and is really good for your puppies. This is gonna be something that I'm gonna start incorporating every time I put him in his crate before I leave for bar or for college classes, and that is this Pro Dental Chew. These are really good for dogs' teeth, and it also has like a parsley mint flavor, so their breath is not gonna be smelling disgusting. I saw this online and was like, okay, we're adding this to cart because there's no way that Matcha's not gonna have this. I'm actually really excited to watch him interact with this. Put the kibble or the treats in here, and then they kind of just like play with it and figure it all out.
He can smell it.
He knows.
He knows there's something underneath there.
Literally solved that puzzle in like 3 minutes. The last thing that I got from Walmart, Matcha has been obsessed with it. It's in his crate right now, and it is this adorable sausage link toy. Definitely way too big for his mouth, but that's kind of what makes it even better because there's squeakers in each little sausage link, and he's just so little that when he tries to shake his head and move around, it's just the most funny thing ever. And I know Matcha is happy with all of the things that I picked out at such an amazing price, and the variety and selection of pet and just the animal section in general is pretty phenomenal. They've got top tier brands in there. So the doorbell just rang and somebody sent me Sherry's berries. I love chocolate covered strawberries. I'm gonna cry. You are absolutely amazing and so loved. I'm so lucky to call you my best friend. I love you so much. Always here for you no matter what. Carol Wiley.
You make me cry.
I know. I'm like crying.
I'm tired of crying. Don't make me cry anymore. See what I mean?
Ooh!
You're like me.
Oh. I love you. This just made my whole day. Wow. I was not expecting this at all. Wow. I literally love my friends. My mom is making matcha upgrade from the crate. This whole vlog is gonna be about matcha basically. She said it's time to get rid of the playpen and we're ditching it, so.
Moving on.
Moving on. Oh my gosh! There's two. First off, I could literally. This is the key to my heart right here. I love food, y'all. We are going to each pick one out. I think I'm gonna do this one. This white one. Okay, you ready? We have to cheers. Ready? Cheers.
My breakfast or lunch together. Thank you, sweet Caroline. I love you.
This one? Exactly what I needed. This is so weird seeing the space empty, but we have graduated from the playpen and now Matcha's gonna go downstairs in his bed. I'm leaving the crate down there. I kept moving it up every single day from my room to upstairs, but not anymore. Whoa! Oh my gosh.
One toy.
No, give him two.
Just this one. It's fine. Okay.
Look at him, he's so handsome.
Time to go to bed.
Go to bed. Bye, Cha-Cha. I love you. He's so mad at me. Also, fun fact, I sleep with a dumbbell on my door. It ended up being a beautiful day today. The sun ended up coming out, but like I said earlier, it was bad, very bad. But my mom and I are going to eat some lunch. So I'm taking her to Wilder, which is one of my favorite places here. All right, to start off, we've got the what's it called?
Every night salad.
Every night salad. We've got some apples, pecans, garlic vinaigrette.
Oh my gosh, are you freaking kidding me?
How was it?
Very good.
Literally, Wilder is the best. If you didn't know, Wilder is owned by the same people that own Certified Bakery, which is where I always go. It's also owned by Wild Child and the Roosevelt Market. Maybe that's where we'll have to go next. But yeah, margarita pizza was absolutely fire. So was that salad.
Every night salad.
The every night salad. It was like the perfect vinaigrette with pecans and the sweetness of the apple. I'm going to get ready now for bar. I think in every video I say that I go to bar, but we're going to bar today, so I need to put on an outfit. Moment.
Oh my job.
Another day, another sleigh. I made a coffee this morning. It's hitting so good right now. My mom is cooking some eggs and we're having toast and bacon. Also, my friend KK came last night, as you guys saw, and she brought me these flowers. And then my management team also brought me these beautiful flowers and have been delivered. So cute. And then my best friends Lex and Kaylee dropped off these. So the house looks so good with flowers.